Hi guys, welcome back to Dee's Kitchen. So today I have a super easy recipe for you guys today. So today we're going to make easy peel shrimp scampi. So for this recipe, all you need is shrimp, a stick of butter, onions, garlic, olive oil, and a seasoning pack by McCormick's, which is called shrimp scampi, which I'll show you guys later. So let's get started. So we're going to use about 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And the secret ingredient is this garlic butter shrimp scampi seasoning by McCormick's. It's really good. Hard to find, but really good. So you're going to use the entire pack on your shrimp. Next, you're going to add some onions. So I'll just cut a few onions up. And I have some minced garlic. Okay. Now all you want to do now is going to take this, put a top on it, and you're going to shake it. Like that. And you're going to take a stick of butter. And you're going to cut it up. Just cut it up in pieces. And put it in there. Oops. Next, you're going to take a baking dish or a pan, and you're just going to toss your shrimps over in there. Make sure you got all the seasonings, all the juices. Make sure I distribute my butter throughout the shrimps, not all in one place. And you're gonna place it in the oven. You're gonna place it on broil. You're gonna place it on 500. And you definitely want to wrap it. So you'll wrap it with aluminum foil unless you have a baking dish with a top to it, and you just put the top on it. But wrap it with aluminum foil. And my oven is on 500. And you're gonna cook them. And once I get them out of the oven, I'll let you guys know how long I cooked them for. I just took our shrimp scampi out of the oven. It looks amazing. I cooked it for 20 minutes on 500. So there you go. Easy peel shrimp scampi. I hope you guys enjoy my video of my easy peel shrimp scampi. and stay tuned for more videos. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure you go down and subscribe below. Give my video a thumbs up. Also comment on this video. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye.